Juliana Rodriguez Oliveira ready to go for Brazil. Oliveira really had her highlight of her career last March. She won the Pan American Wrestling Championship. She won it at this weight at 57 kilos. Had a tremendous run and her way to the top of the podium and the gold medal. France entering tonight with just the one Olympic qualifying spot for the women. That was 68 kilos. That is it for the French. Rivière took 7th in Warsaw last week at the European Championship. France would love to get number 2 here at 57 kilos. Activity clock charged to Brazil, so it will be Oliveira on the clock. 30-second activity clock if you're new to international wrestling. It's a way to promote action. Offense is at a premium. Really in all 3 styles. That'll be a slip. Oliveira tried to hit that quick throw. Back up to their feet. First point will go to France. Rivière with a 1-0 lead. That really was an unusual situation when you look at what happened in the path here. Straight on double by Rivière, and she'll put the Brazilian right on her back there. Good strike by Rivière. She'll get the 2. Go up 3-0. Sit out position here by Oliveira, just trying to hold steady. Doesn't want to go any lower. Rivière will continue to drive, get up onto her toes. Now she comes around the side, latches up, more of a commanding grip. Won't have much time to work on top, and she'll be content with a 3-0 lead. Good job there toward the end of the period by Mahilde Rivière to get the 2-point takedown and the 3-0 lead. But talked about really a unique opportunity for her to stay fresh and not step on the mat with the double forfeit in the other half of the quarterfinal bracket. You just don't see that, especially at a tournament like this one where the stakes are all in on the championship side of the bracket. It's one of those rare tournaments, really the only tournament where the semifinal is almost more important than the gold medal. You want that win in this round to get your allocation to the Olympics. 2 spots in every weight, all 6 weight classes in each of the 3 styles. Haven't seen a lot of offense yet from Juliana Oliveira. Down 3. Wrist control. France unable to clear the wrists. Switched it to a quick Russian tie. And then off that opportunity, France drives right back in. Powerhouse 2. And a 5-0 lead for Rivière. Boy, she's tough. She's been able to finish her shots. Started up high. Now she'll work the lower half of the body. Doesn't have much to grab, and they'll go back up to their feet. We've seen Rivière get in twice deep on shots, and both times she has finished soundly. Comes right back in on a double leg. A little bit wider position. Sprawling over the top goes Oliveira. Head buried for Riviera underneath. Trying to work her way back up, but the Brazilian will not allow that. Will go back to the feet. All the shots coming from France here in this semifinal. Juliana Oliveira trying to work off that arm drag. Swept down, looked for an ankle, could not find any. And that'll be a hair grab, I think inadvertent, as Riviera got her hand caught up high. Next time, that'll be a caution. That's negative wrestling. 5-0 France. Big snap down there by Rivière. Taking a shot, she had to. Oliveira with a slip. Down 5, 60 seconds to go. Really, it's been a quiet year for France. You take a look at across all three styles, and so far just the one Olympic qualifier. Coming into this week, that was for the women at 68. But Mahilde Rivière has looked like she is certainly on a mission to change that. 5-1, caution given. Rivière comes in low again. Again, it's stuffed pretty easily by Oliveira. You like the shooting, though, that you're seeing from Rivière. She leads by 4, yet she just keeps on firing these shots. Again, in on a low shot. Oliveira wants a quick whistle. I don't blame her with 21 seconds to go. But again, it's been Rivière just dictating with these shots, and she comes right back in on a low strike. Oliveira looks frustrated, but this is exactly what you want to do if you're France. You're working with the lead, you keep shooting. 8 seconds remaining. Really well done here by Mahilde Rivière. Comes right back in again. And Brazil just can't keep her off these low shots, and the clock will wind down, and France has number 2 on the women's side. Kumba Laroque is going to have some company. Mahilde Rivière joins the French contingency. A 5-1 win for France here in the semifinals at 57 kilos.